Be still my heart. Check out this 57 Ford. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. This was done by Jerry Miller Classics. He specializes in 57 to 59 Fords and restorations and parts. This one has 19 miles since he did a body off frame rotisserie restoration. Loaded up with some nice options, including vintage air, power windows. Got the 312 motor. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one has a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one. If you want to scan the QR code that's on your screen, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Factory colors, Dusk Rose over Mocha Silver. Um, the Mocha actually has a silver metallic in it. When you look up close, it's just a stunning color. And the combination of the two, just out of this world. So the body is all real nice, excellent. The car's been restored for at least 3 or 4 years. It just wasn't driven. All looking really good, holding up real nice, all absolutely straight, looking down the sides. The lines align very well. The panels fit real nicely. Shuts like a new car. Yeah, when the light hits the curves, you see the silver pop, and against the brown, it's just really, really sharp. All this is looking real nice, all looking great. All nice gaps around the body. Beautiful. Nice lines. Look at this body line here. Tail fins. This door fits real nicely. You can see the jambs are done, even as the OK decals put back on like it would have had at the factory. All of this is slick as can be. There's a little blister, a mild one right there, and there's a little touch up right there. So if you look for imperfections, you'll find a few little ones, but it is absolutely glossy, beautiful. And all of the chrome and trim was replaced, all of it. You know, the hood ornament, it has the optional V bar on the bumper, but the grille, the bumper, the emblem, all of this, the lenses have all been replaced. The moldings down the side with the gold anodized trim in the middle, all of that was replaced. As optional dual mirrors, as optional stone shields with the rocker molding. New glass, even the window frames, the chrome frames around the windows were replaced. The vent window frames were re-chromed. All the weather strips and gaskets were replaced. You gotta go to our website and see it with the top up. It's a real rich cloth top, a German cloth, and it's in this same chocolate brown color. It looks really good with the top up. It has the rear mount antenna, which is really sharp looking. Then back here, all the trim is polished, the lenses, bumper all replaced. It has the optional dual exhaust tips coming out the back. It's a power top, by the way. And then, of course, to finish it off, it's sitting on the chrome spoke wheels wrapped in radial white wall tires. This is an absolute work of art rolling down the road. Let's open it up, show you a lot more. All right, let's look inside a pristine trunk compartment. Well, under the trunk lid, all painted, refinished, new latches, new weather strip. Now the whole inside was painted pink. It has a restored rim and jack assembly with a white wall tire for a spare. Has the plaid liner, new well liner. It even has a matching brown bag that the convertible top boot goes in. Comes with a nice little show board too. The wiring was replaced, just like new. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Again, the jambs are slick, latches, weather strips, even the hardware, sill plates, it all looks fresh. And the interior matches precisely. The metal trim is painted that mocha silver. Then the pink and brown door panels, again, match right on. Has power windows. This also has an optional padded dashboard. That was their idea of safety back then. The dash is all restored. You can see 19 miles. That's all that's been put on this car since it was refinished. Air conditioning was added, so the vents are neatly installed below. And the controls are incorporated right into the original factory controls. Another little neat thing that he did, it's a town and country radio, but it's all modern internals. It actually has Bluetooth. And then he also converted the clock to a quartz movement. So it has some nice little upgrades. It's all fresh looking. A couple little fish eyes in the paint right there, some dust or something. All the welting, kick panels, carpet, all looking beautiful. It has some matching embroidered mats. The upholstery, of course, was replaced. Same thing back here, fresh carpet, fresh upholstery. The side panels all fresh, power windows, all looking real good. When you got the padded dash, you got the padded visors too, so you hit your head on the up here. That a safety feature back then. And the steering wheel's all painted as a fresh chrome button. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Well, it has an optional light. The light's on right now because the door is open, but when the door is shut, you can turn the switch on and off. There's another little option. So this is the 312 Thunderbird special motor, and it came that way as a letter D in the VIN number. So there is a 4-barrel hiding underneath there, and it's all restored to stock. You know, the lines and clips and colors and decals and fuel pump, it's all stock. It has factory power steering. It does have power brakes, but the unit's actually under the dash, so you don't see it there. But look at all the hardware and controls, wiring, suspension. It was all replaced. The air conditioning was very discreetly installed. There's a compressor. But not a lot of stuff, cluttering the engine compartment. And then you've got the decals that were replaced throughout, and all the hardware, everything looks really sharp. Correct battery with the correct bracket to hold it down. Beautifully detailed. Under the hood's painted. So Michael's going to get the pleasure of taking you for a drive, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Now this is a classy car. It's the meaning of luxury. What a cool sensation just being behind the wheel, and you pick up little hints of the color combo. Got the pink on the dash, the brown wheel, dash pad. You look down at the seats. I mean, that's half the fun of this car. It's just looking at the colors. I was never a pink guy until I saw this car. And it's got a real quality feel to it too. Easy power steering there, literally one thumb power steering. Very clean idle. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, she didn't miss a beat. What a smooth running 312 T-Bird special there. See how it goes down the road. Very nice alignment there. I did notice that our speedometer is not working. Was working when I ran around the block, but we'll have our shop take a look at it and it'll get taken care of before it goes out to the new owner. Really like the bullseye hood ornament too. That's really cool to look at. But yeah, top quality car. Come down, test drive it for yourself if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So like I said, body off the frame rotisserie restoration. So the body was just a bare shell, it was flipped on its side. The whole underneath is clean metal, painted the same Dusk Rose color. And then all the chassis, suspension, frame, that was all prepped and painted gloss black. All of the steering, suspension, bushings, shocks, all of that's been rebuilt or replaced, along with the fuel system, including the tank. It has a factory type dual exhaust system. So everything under the car practically looks new. You look up at the motor, it's fresh looking, and the components and the starter and the fuel pump. It has the Cruis-o-Matic transmission. In back, it has the original rear end. It's, I forget the gear ratio, it's in there like a 3:10 ratio, something like that. So outstanding car to go cruising. If you don't think you're going to turn heads with this, I don't know what to tell you. This is an absolutely drop dead gorgeous car. Just screams 1950s, and it's restored by the country's leading 57 Ford restorer. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your 57 Fairlane delivered home. If you need insurance and financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.